How to install Bluetooth drivers in Windows 11. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, you need to search for Intel Bluetooth driver. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one. You will be landing on this interface. Now scroll a little down, and over here you have to select Windows 10 and Windows 11. Also, you will be able to see the latest version of Bluetooth driver. Simply click on this. It will lead you to this page. In here, you can see the available downloads. Click on the very first one, and then click on I accept the terms and conditions. The Intel Bluetooth driver will start to download. You have to wait for a while for it to process and complete. Once it has been downloaded, go back to your home screen and then move into your file manager. Head over to downloads and double click on the file that you have just downloaded. Now tap on next. Once again click on next. Click on install and then it will start to install. Once the installation has been completed, go back and head over to the menu bar and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to Bluetooth and devices. After that, you will be able to connect to the Bluetooth and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 11. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.